Nigerian prophet Isaac Amata, he don't come threaten president of Zambia. No be small threat to my people. Hey, he tell and say he go lose this coming election for August this year. Serious threat, and you know even they smile. According to the prophet, he to say according to what I say, he get church for Zambia, and he get people where they run am while in the Nigeria. Okay, so he can't call the representative now where they for Zambia, may they book flight for them, and you know say they go need visa. As a booker, and so he can't receive message from the Zambia people, their coordinator. He can't receive the message. They tell us say, "Sao, as it be now, they deny you visa. The minute say you no go fit come. In fact." The guy, the prophet don't even know whether to laugh or to cry. The man don't vex, serious vex. I need to say this visa when they talk about like this, why they pay now? Because he don't apply since February last month. So as a prophet, when they see me the way they talk, so they talk. As a prophet, wait till they give them the audacity to deny and visa. I mean, they don't say he don't turn big blessing to Zambia with all the things we don't do for Zambia. How dare them do them this kind of nonsense? Not before my mouth to go here. So I don't bring the prophet by himself to that. You understand? So join me, make we watch Prophet Isaac.
This is Prophet Isaac Amata, March 9, 2021. I just received a message very short time ago from my Zambia National Coordinator that my visa application to visit my church in the nation of Zambia was rejected. Their visa application I made in February. What audacity for a prophet who has been a blessing to the nation of Zambia since 2016. Rejected. For what reason? And the Lord is saying, speak to the leader, to the administration of Edgar Chagwa Lungu. You know about it, you don't know about it. It was done under your administration, done by the DG, approver of the DG of immigration. So this is the word of the Lord. You reject my prophet, I reject your victory in August 2021, unless you reverse it. Unless it's a condition. You reject me, you reject my prophet, I reject you in August. That is the word of the Lord. You reverse it, then my anger is reversed. This is the word of the Lord to the nation of Zambia, to the leader of Zambia. Let him that have ear hear what the Spirit is saying to the leader. Be blessed from Prophet Isaac Amata, March 9, 2021. Amen.
No, I not just that. If I say this fuel price when they increase for Nigeria, it don't affect. It don't see. It affect us. Fuel. It don't affect everybody. I bet Mr. Professor be coming down, no, because see your blood. You don't. I bet the president of Zambia they do visa. I know just the last time visa get your own department. They get people where they run that side. So which are called concerned government, even they threaten them. Say it say now God send them. Now God that message where he deliver is sent from God. Hey. Waiting God know this life where God just give us. I know just understand. Waiting God no go here for this life where we come. You should say now God send you. This one where you just no. You should say now God and not just you based on anger level. They don't give you visa, maybe you don't meet the requirements. So instead of making you just carry on social media, I bet be coming down. I don't just understand that. Hey? I know see now we not see on a problem. Some Nigerians we not see on a problem. Country, another country no give you visa. Now they bring fights. Your church even they the country. So what if this president now can decide say okay for this thing where you do, both the church and the members, may everybody just get out. wetin you go come do? Now blow too dey hot every time. And I just dey hope say this one wey they do, hey, you are going to Zambia, this one, I just dey hope say no be escape, you want escape. Because my brother, this running, you know they run anywhere. You see this country. We are here together. In fact, we go die for this Naija together. Very, very important. No, just bring that one. You want run, go. My people, now see why money good. If now one person now, make I no just mention name. If now one person now we get private jets, they go just sign the thing fast. Sa take, sa go, yeah. Money is good. As you no get private jets, maybe now why they no agree give you this, because they know want add people wey go come inside their country, because they collect their money. They need people wey go. I beg, I don't even understand. Wait till they make this man. You already get representatives. Wait till they make you. You say you be a blessing to Zambia. You have been a blessing. You have been a. Wait till happen to Nigeria. You cannot be a blessing to Nigeria with all the wahala wey Nigeria gets. You prefer to carry your blessing go Zambia. No wonder they even reject you visa. Abi your anointing, the anointing Nigeria they block them from flowing. They no fit flow inside Nigeria. My brother, I beg, if you get this kind of power where they bless Zambia, let me say you are very selfish, because Nigeria, see, we need you the way we are now. I will say that your power you feel use and do something now for that our boo boo. May we know where we they start from. I bet Zambia President. I better bring her outside. Me and this man. I need to give her correct advice, because I don't vex. My brother, sorry. Papa, I beg, listen to the voice of the Lord. As they don't bring you voice of God, this one I will never know whether not true or not. I've been alive. But I beg, sir, just listen to that voice. And one more thing. You see that church where they Zambia. Nobody say I wish bad thing, but if you feel do something so that this man will remain for Nigeria, that power where he get, we need them. So sir, please, I beg you, no give that visa, no give up. Make it stay. We want to see where all the manifestation and things. Make it come kashaba for Nigeria. Very, very important. I mean, my people waiting at it, because we need them. Where they go? No, waiting they carry you go Zambia. Waiting. I don't tire for Nigeria. Nigeria matter don't tire me. In fact, even my own tire don't tire inside the tire we tire. I tire my people. Now the only way I feel describe her, because when I know fit see am. I beg for now way one me our papa go Zambia, drop her for that side. If you know what make it go, still drop her for that side. But me, I don't talk to this man. When I know who will be president, Zambia president and my person, anything I tell her, they listen. So make una no even bother. He is not going anywhere. Very, very important. I will start to drop that comment for that comment section, and make sure say you subscribe if you never subscribe. Share this video so that everybody will know what they happen for Nigeria and Zambia. Very, very important. Stay tuned for our next story.